You slipped up and smoked again while trying to quit. Don't give up. Today, you'll learn 4 key steps to bounce back from a relapse and stay smoke-free, plus a bonus stress management tip to keep you on track. Stick around to turn your setback into a stronger quit journey. You're here because you tried to quit smoking but had a relapse, and now you're wondering how to get back on track. Relapsing is normal. About 70% of smokers slip up at least once before quitting for good, so you're not alone. Quitting smoking is a complex journey, not a single event, and a relapse doesn't mean you've failed. It's a chance to learn and grow stronger. In this video, you'll discover 4 practical steps to recover from a relapse, rebuild your confidence, and continue your path to a smoke-free life. At Self-Recovery, we're all about helping you build a healthier, stronger you through mental health, addiction recovery, and smart lifestyle choices. Whether you smoked one cigarette or slipped back into old habits, these steps will help you reset and move forward. Plus, you'll get a bonus stress management tip at the end to make quitting easier and boost your mental resilience. Before we dive in, let us know in the comments one thing you learned from your relapse that'll help you quit again. Your insight could inspire someone else watching. All right, let's get started. Relapsing doesn't mean you're weak. It's a normal part of the quitting journey, like a practice run for success. Research shows most successful quitters try multiple times, with 70% relapsing at least once. Instead of feeling guilty, reframe your relapse as a chance to learn what went wrong. Ask yourself, what triggered your slip-up? Maybe it was stress or a social event. Write down one lesson, like I smoked because I was stressed, so I'll plan better stress relief next time. This builds your self-efficacy, your confidence in quitting, which studies show is key to success. Try a quick mindfulness exercise to let go of guilt. Sit quietly, breathe deeply for 1 minute, and focus on your commitment to a smoke-free life. Another tip, tell yourself, I'm learning to quit better each time, to shift your mindset. This step aligns with self-recovery's focus on mental health, helping you turn setbacks into progress. If this resonates, give the video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people. To get back on track, assess where you are in your readiness to quit and tackle the triggers that led to your relapse. The Stages of Change model shows quitting is a process. You might be in contemplation, thinking about quitting, preparation, planning your next attempt, or action, ready to try again. Reflect on your relapse to pinpoint triggers. Common ones include stress, coffee, alcohol, or social settings. A 2019 study found unrecognized triggers cause most relapses, so list your top 3 triggers, like drinking coffee or feeling anxious. For each, plan a new response. Swap coffee for herbal tea, or take a 5-minute walk when stressed. If you smoke within 30 minutes of waking, a sign of high addiction, use nicotine gum to curb early cravings. Another tip, keep a small notebook to track when cravings hit and what you do instead, like chewing gum or sipping water. This builds awareness and weakens triggers, supporting your addiction recovery journey. By understanding your stage and triggers, you'll strengthen your quit plan. Now, recommit to quitting with a stronger, tailored strategy. Your relapse shows your old plan needs tweaking, and research suggests smokers who adjust their approach after a slip are 50% more likely to succeed. Set a new quit date within the next week to create urgency, and choose a method that suits you, like nicotine replacement therapy, NRT, or counseling. NRT, like patches or gum, doubles quit success rates by reducing cravings without harmful tobacco chemicals. If you're highly addicted, smoking over 15 cigarettes a day or within 30 minutes of waking, combine a patch for steady nicotine with gum for sudden urges. Another tip, involve a friend for accountability. Share your quit date and ask them to check in weekly. Write down 3 specific actions you'll take differently, like avoiding bars where alcohol doubles relapse risk, or calling 1-800-QUIT-NOW for support. Practice positive self-talk. Say, I'm stronger than nicotine, to boost confidence. This step empowers you to take control, aligning with self-recovery's mission. If this tip's helpful, drop a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. To prevent future relapses, build a smoke-free routine that replaces smoking with positive habits. Studies show consistent routines increase quit success by up to 40% by rewiring your daily habits. Create a schedule with healthy activities, like 10 minutes of stretching, a morning walk, or a hobby like gardening. These boost endorphins and reduce cravings, making smoking less appealing. If you're worried about weight gain, a common concern averaging 5.5 pounds, swap smoking breaks for healthy snacks like carrot sticks or apples. Another tip, join a support group like the Stop Smoking subreddit to share tips and stay motivated. Track your smoke-free days in a notebook, noting benefits like better breathing or more energy to reinforce your progress. If a craving hits, distract yourself with a quick activity like 10 jumping jacks or deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4. This step builds a lifestyle that supports self-recovery's focus on mental health and healthy living, making smoking irrelevant. If this motivates you, give the video a thumbs up. It helps us spread the word. Here's the bonus tip we promised, a stress management hack to help you recover from a relapse and stay smoke-free, aligning with self-recovery's focus on mental health and addiction recovery. Stress is a top relapse trigger, but you can manage it without cigarettes by building effective coping strategies. First, practice progressive muscle relaxation daily for 5 minutes. Start by tensing and releasing each muscle group, from your toes to your shoulders, to release physical tension and calm your mind. This reduces stress-induced cravings and boosts relaxation. Second, create a stress toolkit with quick actions. Keep a stress ball to squeeze during urges, listen to a calming playlist, or step outside for fresh air. These replace the hand-to-mouth habit of smoking, which you might repeat 300 times a day. Third, plan for risky situations, like social events or work stress, by rehearsing your response in advance. Say, "I'll sip water instead of smoking." Another tip, set a daily calm moment, where you pause for 2 minutes to focus on something positive, like a happy memory or your quick goals. Avoid over-relying on caffeine or alcohol, as they can mimic stress and trigger cravings. A unique tip, when stress spikes, try a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding technique. Name 5 things you see, 4 you can touch, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, and 1 you taste, to stay present and avoid smoking. Practice these techniques consistently, like after meals, to build a habit. This strategy strengthens your mental resilience, supports addiction recovery, and keeps you focused on your smoke-free journey. There you have it, 4 steps to recover from a smoking relapse. Reframe your relapse, address triggers, recommit with a tailored strategy, and build a smoke-free routine, plus a bonus stress management tip to keep you on track. Relapsing is just a bump on your road to a smoke-free life, and self-recovery is here to help you build a stronger, healthier you with tips for mental health, addiction recovery, and healthy living. Drop your quit date or favorite method in the comments below. We're cheering you on and want to hear your progress. Want more quitting strategies or wellness advice to keep you motivated? Subscribe to Self-Recovery, hit that notification bell, and check out our video on Is Vaping Better Than Smoking? Link below. Like this video if it helped you take a step toward quitting, and share it with someone who needs this push to restart their smoke-free journey. Join our community to keep building a stronger, healthier you together. See you in the next one.